Good evening, guys. I'm going to make a video presentation about remaining cargo to load. And I'm going to show you the loading sequence or loading plan made by my chief officer on my previous vessel, which is MBCPO Europe, which is a Capesize vessel. So let's start, guys. This is the loading sequence, and the date the vessel is loading at Port Edland is 26 June 2011. So that is 15 years ago. Okay, 15 years ago. And the cargo is iron ore and to be discharged in Qingdao, China. The density at berth is 1.025, which is seawater, and the departure drop is 17.75 even keel. Okay, and this is now the cargo for each hold. Number one is 19,300. Number two is 18,400. Number three is 20,900. Four is 17,000. Okay, 17,000. Number five is 17,000. Number six is 70,000. Seven is 21,000, and eight 18,700, and nine is 22,100. Okay, the the grade of the iron ore is SRF grade. Okay, SRF grade. And this is now the loading sequence. We have here the number of pour, and from pour number 1 to pour number 19. And this is the cargo holds from 1 to 9, and this is the sequence of loading and the cargo for each holds to be loaded. Let's say in number 1, which is pour number 1 is load number 7, then you have to load 11,000. Pour number 2 and hold number 5 is 10,000. And pour number 3 is hold number 7. The second sequence of loading is 10,000. This is the, and so forth. This is the ballast operation and number of hours of ballast operation. Okay. Then over here is the draft for each spur. Forward and draft, then the bending moment, shearing force, and the air draft. And you have here the mid draft and the air draft for it hold number 1, 5, and 9, and trim. Okay, so let's say that the operations are started from port number 1, and the chief officer, according to his night order or instructions to the duty officers, when reaching port number 17 in hold number 2, he has after he has completed loading 6,400, he will advise the foreman to stop loading and ask the drop surveyor and the chief officer to make a drop reading around the vessel to compute for the cargo remaining to load for trimming. Okay, so once the operation has stopped, the chief officer and the drop surveyor would go down the vessel and take a drop reading around the vessel, forward and up, main drop, port and starboard. As soon as they have completed reading the drop, so they would come up to a point that they would agree what will be the draft they have read. So, for example, they both agreed that in forward draft the draft is 7.31 and the updraft is 17.53 and the main draft is 17.42 and the trim is 0.23. So that is now their draft reading. Once you have this draft reading, now you can now use your program for trimming. So I have here a program for trimming for uh, CPO for this vessel, CPO Europe. And this one, which I call the Form 6 small weights, or how to find trim when handling several moderate weights. So this is the LPP of the vessel, and according to the draft reading for the chief officer and the draft surveyor, draft forward is uh, 1731. Here, 1731. And updraft is 1753. Okay, 1753. Okay, take note that the automatically he will compute for the main drop and the trim. So main drop is 1742. The main drop here is 1742 and the trim is 23. But the program says, the program says 22. Anyway, and according to their drop reading, mid drop, actual mid drop port side is 1742. Say 1742. And starboard mid drop, actual mid drop is 1742. Meaning no least. Okay? And your departure drop should be departure drop even kill is 1775. Put here 1775. 75. There you go. Once you put your departure drop, he will compute for the sinkage, which is 0.33 meters or 33 centimeters. So how do you get this one? So your final mid drop is 1775 minus your mid drop of 1742. That will be 33 centimeters or 0.33 meters. Okay. There's another way of computing this sinkage. Okay. First, once this sinkage, you convert this to cargo, which is your recommended cargo to load for trimming. So how did I get this amount? You click this cell, then you will see the formula. Okay, formula. So formula says K8, which is K, and row 8, which is your sinkage, times M3, M, row 3, which is your TPC, times 100. Meaning your sinkage times your TPC times 100 is 4071. That is how you will find your recommended cargo for loading. Okay. Once you already know your departure drop or your final mid drop, you interpolate the TPC of your departure drop of 1775. So you interpolate the TPC and your TPC would be 123.36, which is this one. Okay? Let's take out this one. Okay? So this will be your interpolated final TPC. Now, there's another way of computing the sinkage is your recommended cargo total for trimming of 4071. Just place it here. Then you have your TPC from your initial drop forward and up. So your TPC is 123.20, which is this one. So your recommended cargo total for trimming divide by your TPC 123.23. That will be 33.04. Multiply by 100, that will be sinkage will be 0.33. So your present drop, mid drop of 1742 plus your sinkage of 0.33, your final departure drop is 1775, which is exactly the same with this one. Okay? There's another way of finding the sinkage. That will be weight divide by TPC divide by 100, then you will have 0.33 meters of your sinkage. Okay. Now, you have already your recommended cargo to load for trimming. So you follow this arrow, then put here your cargo for remaining cargo to load for trimming. So put here 4071. Once you loaded 4071 results after loading, then your mid drop will be 17.75, which is exactly the same with your departure drop, and your sinkage is also the same with this sinkage. So this is to prove that your figure is right. Now, it says here, this is the actual cargo to load for trimming, then it says go to trim holes 2. So you go to trim holes 2. It says here trimming with 2 holes, and take note of the remaining cargo to load is 4071. Your trimming hold is 8 and 2 according to your plan, and 8 and 2. Okay? And your initial drop is forward 17.31, up drop is 17.53, mean drop is 17.42, your trim is 22. This is your MTC, LCF, and TPC. Okay? So you now scroll down and take note, is asking for your final trim. Since according to your plan, the vessel is even keel, so your trim is 0. Okay? Here, your trim is should be 0. So put here 0, the final trim, because of even keel. Then he will not tell you what to load in cargo holds 8, 8, and 2. So in cargo hold number 2, for your forward weight, forward hold, you have to load 2024. So in number 2, you write 2024. So 2024. And number 8 should be 2047. And you have here 2047 if you run it up. and he will give you the final departure of even keel. Forward is 1775, updraft is 1775, your trim is 0, and your main drop is 1775. Your deflection is 0. So your mid drop, how do you get your mid drop? So this equals, go to form number 6. This is your mid drop. Click this one, press enter. That will be your mid drop, and your mid drop, put equals here, and this is your mid drop, and your reflection is 0. Okay, so this is program number 1, program number 2, and program number 3 by trim table. Trim table, take note of the mini cargo to load is 4071, and your initial drop forward is 1731, updraft is 1753, your main drop is 1742, your mid is 1742, and your trim is 022. Okay, so your trimming hold is 2 and 8, and your cargo to load in hold number 2 is 2024, and 8 is 2047. Consult your loading manual and look for the correction forward and up of hold number 2, and now hold number 8, look for the forward correction of forward and up correction of hold number 8. So how I have here a trim table for table sheet for trim correction. So this is the name of the vessel, this is the name of the cargo hold, this is the draft 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. This is the forward correction and up correction. Since our departure drop is 1775, the nearest drop would be 18. So I click here 18. For our trimming hold is hold number 2, forward and up. So I made highlight here. So forward correction is 2.3. Here 2.3. 2.3. And up correction is how much? Up correction is negative 0.8. Negative 0.8. Here. And number 8, forward correction is number 8, forward correction. You go scroll down, and this is your hold number 8, forward and up correction of drop 18. I already highlighted. So this will be negative forward is negative 0.4, negative 0.4. There you are, and updraft is how much? Updraft is updraft is positive 1.8. Positive 1.8. Okay. Take note of your departure drop. So forward is 1769, updraft is 1774. Short from your departure drop of 1775. Okay. Now take note that in hold number 2, in forward correction from drop 10 meters up to 20 meters, they have the same figure correction of 2.3. So these are all assumptions. So they cannot pinpoint which which point somewhere in the vessel that would give the precise number of correction in a certain point. So with your up correction, and the same thing with hold number 8. So these are all assumptions. So what we do, since your drop is less than your departure drop of 17.75, so we will adjust the forward correction. See, forward correction, we will adjust. So make this 2.4, okay, increase the number 2.4, then is now 1771, but it's still short, so make this 2.5, increasing little more, 2.6. Now you have now 1775. Now you have to adjust now your updraft, but take note of the your trim by the head, so you have to adjust your up. So make this 1.9, for example. Too much, so you have to reduce. What will be this 1.89? So 85. Now even kill, okay? So this is a little bigger, we make this 188 of your deflection. Deflection, your main drop. So say to reduce the deflection, it will be make it 8. Now it's 36. I think that's okay. So your now even kill of 17.75 forward, up, main, and mid. So your trim is 0 and your deflection is 0. Okay. Now we go here. If we try to load in hold number 2 of 2024, then we will be trimmed by the head, which is not good for stripping. But I suggest that we must load first in hold number 8 to have a good trim by the stern. Take note, number 8, the weight is 2024, forward correction is negative 0.4, and up correction is 188. In hold number 2, the weight is 2024, the forward correction is 2.6, and up correction is negative 0.8. Okay? And this is the initial drop of forward 1731, up is 1753. So after loading 2047 in hold number 8, then your new drop will be 1723 forward, and up will be 1791 up. So carry this down, then now you have to load in hold number 2. Hold number 2, you load 2024. After loading 2024, your drop will be forward is 1775, up drop will be 1775, and your deflection is 0. Your trim is 0 and your main drop is 1775. So you have 3 programs now, which is trim by trim table, trim 2 holds, and form number 6. And the last program to back you up is form number 7. So form number 7 is how to find drop and trim when handling weights involving large changes in wind drop. Okay? Take note of the density at birth is 1.025. Still remember, So density is 1.025 and the drop forward is 1731. 1731 and updraft is 1753. 1753 and your main drop is 1742 and your trim is 0.22. Okay, this is your LPP of 89.95. Take note how much did you load in hole number 2. Number 2 is 2024. I'm sorry, 2024. 2024 and number 8 is 2047. 2024, 2024 and number 8 is 2027. 2047. Is that correct? Double check. 2047. Okay. Apply your LCG of hole number 2 and 8 LCG of hole number 8. And your density at birth until completion is 1.025. 0.025. And your main drop is 1775. And your departure drop forward is 1775. Updraft is 1775. Main drop is 1775. It's even kill. So you have 0 trim and your deflection is 0. So you have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 programs to back you up. That will be form number 7 or how to find drop and trim when handling weights involving large changes in drop. Then you have by trim table. Okay. Trimming table and you have an even kill drop here and trim 2 holes or trimming 2 holes, then your quarter drop is even kill. And finally your form number 6 is how to find trim and when handling several moderate weights. So your departure drop is even kill forward of 7.75, up drop is 7.75, 0 trim and main drop is 1750, 7.50. Okay, this is with your uh, vessel of CPO Euro. Now, I will try to use another vessel which is the Cape Odyssey. This is Cape Odyssey. Let me see. The vessel name of the vessel is Cape Odyssey. Cape Odyssey. Okay. This is also a capesize vessel of 9 holes. For example, uh, he is also going to load at Port Hedland. Okay. And the same sailing drop of even kill of 17.75 metric tons. Meters. 17.75 meters even kill. Okay? And we'll just use the same figures of the initial drop. So go here. That will be this one. So the initial drop forward and up is 1731, 1753. 1731, okay, 17.31 and 17.53. Okay. Take note, the mid drop is 1742, trim is 722, and the final actual drop mid port is 1742. Example, and starboard mid drop is 1742. No list. Okay. And the final departure drop is 17.75. Okay. So your sinkage is 33. Now it will matter now in the remaining cargo toll for trimming. So sinkage times TPC times 100 is 4576.9. So if you interpolate the TPC of the departure drop of 1775, the TPC would be 138.69. Okay. So again, sinkage times TPC times 100, that would be 7576.10, the recommended cargo for trimming. Okay, you scroll down, go to the arrow, then you put 4577 to run it up. 4577. Once you loaded 4577, then your mid drop, departure drop will be 1775, which is exactly the same. And your sinkage will be 0.33, which is exactly the same. The other way of finding the sinkage is your recommended cargo to load for trimming is 4577, and your initial TPC from your initial drop is 13867. This one, 4577 divided by 13887, that would be 33.01 times 100. Your sinkage will be 0.33. So your present drop of 1742, which is your mid drop, plus your sinkage of 33, then your final mid departure drop is 1775, which is the same with this one. So the difference with this one is from target to recommend is 0.01, which is nothing. Okay, so once you loaded 4577, which is the actual cargo to load for trimming, then go to trim modes 2. You go to trim modes 2, which is trimming with 2 holds. Take note of the remaining cargo to load of 4577, and your trimming hold is 2 and 8. Take note of the initial drop. Forward is 1731, updraft is 1753. Your mid drop is 1742, trim is 022. Your MTC, LTC, and TPC. Okay? So, it will ask you what will be your final trim, and our final trim says no trim, so 0. So, his recommended cargo to load in hold number 2 is 234, let's say 2340. So, you put here 2340, and hold number 8 will be 2237. 2237, if you run it up, and your departure drop will be forward will be 1775, up drop will be 1775. Zero trim main drop is 1775. Your deflection is 0. Okay? You can adjust this one to make it okay. Then by trim table, okay. So take note of the trimming cargo is 4577. Your trimming hold is 2 and 8. Your cargo number 2 is 2340. 2340. Okay, and number 8 will is 2237. 2237. and let's check the trim table correction. Number 2 is 2.3 forward, 2.3, that is 2.3, and number up correction is how much? Negative 0.8, negative 0.8. And number 8 forward correction is negative 0.0. Number 8, scroll down. Number 8 is negative 0.4, and up correction is how much? 1.8. 1.8. And what will be your departure drop? So you are trimmed by the head. So you adjust your forward correction. You make this 2.9. You are trimmed by the head. Adjust this one again. Reduce this one to 8. Still, you are trimmed by the head. Reduce 7. Still, trimmed by the head to 6. Now, even kill. Okay? You are now even kill. Forward, up, mid is 75, 0 trim. Your reflection is 0. Okay? Then over here, in number 8, cargo is 237. Forward corrections negative 0.4. Up corrections 1.8. Hold number 2 is 234. Correction is 2.26. Up correction is negative 0.8. Then your final drop would be forward and up is 1775. Your trim is 0. Your main drop is 1775. Your reflection is 0. So this is your third program, and the last program is for number 7, which is how to find drop and trim in handling involving large changes in your drop. So your density at birth, at loading birth is 1.05, 1.025. Initial drop is 1731. Okay, okay. 1731.53. 1731, 31, 1753, 17, ay, 53. Okay, so your main drop is 1742, trim is 22, and is now a different LPP is 290.2. Okay, then what? How much you're trimming out of 2 in 8? Number 2, you should load how much in number 2? 2340. Okay, 2340. And number 7, and number 8 is how much? 2237. 2237. Apply your LCG, and your density at completion is still 1.025, and your departure drop, mean drop is 1775. Your forward drop is 1775, up drop is 1775. Your main drop is 1775. Your trim is 0, and your main drop is 17. Your deflection is 0. So you have 4 programs to back you up. Form number 7, trim table. Okay. Trim table, even kill. Trim 2 holds, even kill, and your form number 6, which is also even kill. Okay, so that's it, guys. You have four programs to back you up in computing the remaining cargo to load. So this is a very good program. So they are this will have give you more confidence in your actual loading at birth. So that's it, guys. If you like this program, please click the like button, share, and subscribe. And please don't forget to click the notification bell. Thank you for watching and good night.